Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable story autosave on Snapchat. Keep your stories safe and secure by following these simple steps. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your avatar or profile picture, located at the top left of the screen, to navigate to your profile settings. Under My Story, tap the three dots to access additional options for your stories. Next, turn on the Autosave to Memories feature to automatically save your stories to memories. Once you've enabled autosave, tap Done to confirm your settings. By following these steps, you can ensure that your stories are automatically saved to memories, allowing you to revisit and share them whenever you like. Thank you for watching this guide on how to enable story autosave on Snapchat. Keep your stories safe and easily accessible by turning on autosave to memories with these simple steps. Enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your stories are securely saved, and make sharing memories even more convenient on Snapchat.